How's it going, everyone? Today is January 15th, 2020, and this is Thriving Bulls Trade of the Day. Good morning, afternoon, wherever you guys are coming from. This is Thriving Bulls Trade of the Day. We actually have our open trade here for the Euro USD, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., 11:26. We have 4 minutes and 30 seconds left. We're up about $143, $145 worth of profit. As you can see here, we have a $61 risk at a 90.50. So we have about let's see, 90 spot 5 minus 61.5, $29 worth of profit as of right now per contract. Times that by 5, and we're looking at a 145 is what you see right here. So we have our contract at 1126. We can go ahead and go into the 5 minute and actually see this contract all the way down here. We got in at 61. We got in right about this area here was where the signal came in, and so we are looking at this particular trade. This will be pretty much a short video. We're going to watch this trade unfold in the last few minutes. But just wanted to show you guys that the signals are quite functioning. This was all based off of the Auto Trader. We have our own basic versions that we are testing out to be able to add on bigger positions. You're able to do this with a much bigger package. And this was taken with the Auto Trader itself. This was not manually traded. This was taken purely with the Auto Trader, and we got in at 61 spot 5. So if you see that on the risk, we can see that we get a buy at a limit of 61 spot 5, and you can see that we risk 61.50 to make 38.50. It's a little risky. It's a little about 10% more risk, but as far as going from 0 to 100, but I know that it sounds like a lot, 50 for 50, being the kind of in the middle, but you never really get 50 for 50 when it comes into NADEX. It's usually, you know, something around this area, something like that. But this was a trade that lasted about an hour and 55 minutes. And so we were able to get this trade right at here at about 6. And so now we've gotten all the way over here, and we have just rode this wave upwards. We have, again, 2.5 minutes left until this trade expires. I just wanted to show you guys that these trades do work. A lot of people ask about them. A lot of people want to know what to expect. As you can see, we have a bunch of winning results. If I go back a peg, you can see that we've lost 1. So out of 30 trades, now being 31 trades, we've lost 1. So you're able to get all these trades, and this is only for $100 a month. Or you can get the Auto Trader for $150, which includes the thriving signals, which is what you see with these here, plus the deviation levels, plus the Auto Trader for $150 a month. So you're able to do that. What's great about the signals here is you can see that you can see this in real time, a minute and 40 seconds. So our signals are going with NADEX's pricing. So the start prices from NADEX, our ending prices are also from NADEX. They're not from MT4. A lot of people in the signals game, when it comes into NADEX, they get the end prices from MT4. So these may be inaccurate, but within our system, this is all coming from NADEX. So if it loses on NADEX but wins on MT4, it will show up as a loss on our end because of NADEX's liquidity. So I just wanted to show you that. We are adding a new feature onto the table, which is basically going to show the profit that we're going to make. It's going to be ending right about here, and what you'll see is profit, and what that will show is all of the profit that we'll make. So as far as right here, this will say 38, because that's what we'll make. It's 38 spot 5. And this is all going to be after. This will all be excluding the fees, all because we don't know what you guys will be risking. You guys will have to kind of differentiate that yourselves when it comes into the fees. So we have about 37 seconds left. We're going to wait for this trade to unfold. We are at $162.50. We have about $6 left that is kind of not showing here. That's all because of the liquidity. We're seeing, excuse me, price kind of unfolding here, not showing anything. That's just because, again, we only have 20 seconds left. So we are going to see this trade unfold in the money, and nice trade for this particular day. This will be our 5th signal today, and all of them have been winners. All of them have been great trades. If you would have taken all of these today, every single one of them, including this one, you would have made pretty much just the signals alone just from today. You would have been able to pay all of this off just from today's trades alone. So you can only imagine what you can expect when you have trades like this every single day coming to your account. So let's go ahead and go back into NADEX. Now we have our position closed. We should see our live signal has disappeared, and it has. And if we go into the results tab, we can see that it is right here, plain as day. 11297, 1126 was our start price. As you can see, a result in the green, 6 to 8 p.m. Euro USD, and that is our trade of the day.